Hey everyone, as you know, the back to school bashes are coming up, and so I'm making my visits around the schools, and here I am at Washington Irving, and I met some amazing people here that are my kindred spirits. You all know that I'm about eating healthy and living with plants and eating plants, and so she's teaching me about something I've never heard about here. She is from Big Green, and her name is
Maggie Hughes. So I'm the regional director at Big Green, and I'm excited to share with Saida a little bit about one of my favorite herbs, and it's called borage. And so if we could just kind of get a glance over here.
So let me flip this around so that we can see you. All right, go for it.
Borage is actually prolific, so we're going to give you some seeds, and even one seed will have a beautiful plant. And basically what they produce are these beautiful, I call them periwinkle type violet flowers, and they're edible, and they taste a little bit like cucumber. And you can put them in salads, you can add them to your dessert plates, you can even put them in a glass of wine for those of you that are of 21 and older. But if not, put them in water, and they actually are kind of known medicinally to be really calming and help people with anxiety or whatnot. I'm not a doctor, so you cannot write that down. But actually, I'm going to make Saida taste this.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me flip this back around.
All right, and then
okay,
just put
so
it
I'm
in
going to
your
taste
mouth,
this flower.
And it's kind of peppery,
is
like
amazing.
a little
Okay.
bit like a cucumber.
Oh, it is.
Isn't it nice?
Oh, it's so
All right.
nice. It does taste like a cucumber. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. So definitely look this up. Say the name again of this.
It's called borage.
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 All right, people, if you know anything about borage, as you know, put it down below so that we can all learn from it, because we are learning together, my friends. Take care.